Home security is on every homeowner's mind. But installing traditional CCTV equipment? Now that's a pain in the neck. Plus, on top of all the bills you have, home security shouldn't cost this much. Introducing IMILAB EC2, a 1080p wireless security camera with the best performance and price for an AI system. The IMILAB EC2 has a long battery life that lasts up for 120 days on a single rechargeable battery. No cables required. Compared to other security cameras, the IMILAB EC2 brings you detail and clarity in full HD. As the camera stays dormant, the passive infrared sensor detects life forms, which activates in 1 second and immediately streams to the cloud. The AI technology in this camera is so smart, it can detect pets and identify them as safe without setting off any alarms. Come on, man! I feel safe knowing that the AI will detect anyone trying to break in and will automatically start recording and notify me of any activity. I wouldn't do that if I were you. Even at night, the camera's infrared sensor sees in the dark in case unwanted guests return.
You know I can see you. I'm contacting the authorities.
IMILAB supports up to 4 cameras and a single gateway. With the IMILAB EC2, you can monitor your home from virtually anywhere. When you're at work and you want to check in your home at any time, the two-way audio system and the remote monitoring allow me to speak to people directly. Yes, you can leave it
right at the doorstep.
Oh, will do.
The IMILAB EC2 is easy to set up and can be installed by drilling in the bracket with 2 screws and mounting the camera. Or with an adhesive backhand, simply place it anywhere, mount the camera, and power it on. You can also adjust the angle using the 360-degree ball joint. Hey! IMILAB is a Xiaomi ecological chain enterprise, which uses the most advanced production quality, making the IMILAB EC2 camera also IP66 waterproof. It's tough and durable in any weather condition, operating from temperatures of -4 degrees to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. IMILAB EC2 is the first security camera that offers free lifetime cloud storage, along with an encrypted SD card for backup storage, all with no monthly charge. Are you looking for your next best solution in home security? Then try the IMILAB EC2 today.